Kabylian music, it's like the heartbeat of Kabylia, a place in northern Algeria. It's way more than just music though. It tells stories about love, sadness and fighting back. The melodies, they carry the weight of history, all the hopes and dreams of the Kabylian people. It's a beautiful mix of Berber traditions and Arabic sounds. Kabylian music is super connected to the land and its people. It shows their struggles and their victories. A lot of times it's played on traditional instruments like the mandol, the bendir, a kind of drum, and the flute. Each one adds its own special sound to the music. Kabylian music has really old roots. Ancient Berber chants and rhythms are the base of this music. Over many, many years it changed, taking in influences from Andalusian music and other North African traditions. This mix of styles created its special sound. The 1900s were a big turning point. Artists like Slimane Azam and Sheriff Kedam became really famous. They used their music to talk about important social issues and show what it meant to be Kabyle. Their powerful words and emotional melodies really connected with people. This made Kabylian music a strong way to express Kabyle culture and stand up for what they believed in. Kabylian music is more than just something fun to listen to. It's a powerful symbol of being Kabyle. For many generations, it has helped keep the Berber language and culture alive. Through songs and rhythms, Kabylian music shares traditions and teaches them to kids and grandkids. During times of trouble, when things were politically and socially tough, Kabylian music was a way to resist. The songs became anthems, giving voice to the hopes of the Kabyle people and their fight to be recognized. The music brought communities together and gave them comfort and strength during hard times. Today, Kabylian music is still going strong. Modern artists like Aidar, Lounès Matoub and Takfrinaz are famous all over the world. They've shared Kabylian music with new people everywhere. These artists mix traditional sounds with modern ones, creating a vibrant and always changing musical style. You can hear Kabylian music's influence in lots of different types of music, like world music, folk and even rock. Its rhythms and melodies have inspired musicians from different times and different continents. Kabylian music has a bright future. It keeps changing and growing while staying true to where it came from. It shows how powerful music is, how it can connect different generations and cross borders.